Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty, and I'm back with another video. 3 reasons why a woman will reject you, okay? Number 1, simply, fellas, you're not going to be attracted to everybody on this earth. Sometimes rejection is God's protection. I done got rejected by females in my life and then heard story times about them. And thank God that girl ain't say yes to me because I really wanted her. But something in the universe was telling me, Jay, you can't have her because she's no good for your mental. And I think too, fellas, you're not going to get every girl to say yes to you. Like, that's just not how it works. Not everybody is attracted to you. Bro, I remember I used to work at McDonald's, right? And this one girl specifically, my coworker, the girl that used to work with me, she told me I was ugly. Literally. I don't know why. Like, she told me I was ugly, but not every other girl think like that. Usually I get compliments. Usually females tell me like, oh my God, you're so like bright and handsome. Like usually females send, positivity my way. But this one specific girl kept it real to me. She was like, Jay, you want me to be honest with you? I was like, yeah. She's like, you ugly. I was like, wow. Like, really? I was like, okay, I learned from rejections. You get what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, what's one thing on my face that makes me look ugly? She couldn't even find a reason. I don't know if it was her projection, but, she rejected a nigga, right? And I said, what's one thing on my face that make me look unattractive, okay? Because I like to learn from rejections. I like to learn from how female thinks. Because females, they always, I told y'all, like, females, they are really spiritual, and they always keep it real with you. Like, growing up in high school, I used to always hang around these, like, different females, and this is how I, like, became attractive because, like, I hang around females who took care of their hygiene. I'm not saying all females slang that way because you do got some dirty bitches out here, but the females I was hanging around with, they was into fitness. They took care of themselves. They loved piercings. They loved, becoming the best version of themselves. They loved reading. They loved, looking, pretty. And that's basically what I got it from. But like, I mean, you don't have to slang that way. You get what I'm saying? I'm not saying always be around females because you think you're going to become more attractive. No, be around people who take care of themselves, and you will pick up on that habit, implement that in your life. And your habit is what makes you look healthy. It makes you look, attractive. Because fellas, I don't think nobody is ugly. I think we pick up on unattractive habits, which is smoking, drinking, always partying, eating unhealthy, not working out, not drinking enough water. Those are the like inefficient habits that makes us look ugly. Okay, you're not ugly. I promise you. You can become the best version of yourself. You can look attractive, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, I was ugly at one point. You get what I'm saying? I can show you a whole video of me just looking unattractive and me giving you a transformation on how I used to look. You get what I'm saying? But this specific girl at work was like, yeah, you're like ugly. And I asked her, I said, wait, what's one thing on my face that makes me look ugly? And she was like, well, your eyes is like not aligned with each other. I'm like, what the fuck do that mean? She was like, Jay, your eyes, like, I'm like, what do that mean? She was like, I don't know, like, it's your eyes. And I was like, okay, you get what I'm saying? But I don't care about anybody's beliefs or opinions because that doesn't necessarily shape my reality. And her friend was on my dick the whole time. Her friend was just quiet because she wanted some. And she knew if she would have talked, if she would have agreed with that motherfucker, no dick. Let me stop. I ain't give her no dick anyways. But her friend wanted me. And, like, you're going to get rejected by a lot of females, fellas. Like, that's a part of the game. Like, you're going to have to accept it. Like, you're not going to be attracted to every girl, nigga. Like, you're not going to be attracted to... Nigga, you not even attracted to every girl. Like, do you find every girl attractive? And if you do, something wrong with your brain if you find every girl attractive. It be some people I be looking at, I'm like... I wouldn't hit that. Like, I just don't pay no mind to it. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're cool. I look at you as a friend. Like, some females would just look at you as a friend. You get what I'm saying? You would look at some females as a friend too. And that's completely normal. That's life. Not every girl is going to think you attractive. And you're going to have to accept that. You're just going to have to accept it. Even though I'm attractive. I view myself as attractive. Like, a lot of females view me as attractive. But I understand that a lot of females is not going to think I'm attractive. Like, some females think I'm attractive, but not all females think I'm attractive. And that's completely fucking normal. I done got in a relationship with females when other females and dudes didn't think this person I was dating was attractive. That's fucking normal. Not everybody. Bro, listen, even the girl I was with, the girl I used to like date, her friends and family thought I was unattractive. That's completely fucking normal. You can't do anything about that. The only thing you can do is just keep working on yourself and just keep going. Like, you can't pretty much do anything about that, fellas. Like, You're going to come across as unattractive to most people. But don't focus on the people who have negative to say about you. Focus on the people who's positive. Show up for the people who's positive. You know what I'm saying? You showing up for the wrong individual. And this is why you feel bad about yourself. Number two, it's simply because you're unattractive. They probably, well, Jayyduty, what do that mean? Fix your hygiene, bro. This is why you don't feel confident to talk to women. This is why you cannot pull that woman you always fantasize about. This is why every time you're in school, you just feel so scared. Why? Because you know your hygiene is not on point. If you smell good and you look good and you was just... Listen, fellas, before I went to school, right? And I used to do this in the 8th grade, right? And I used to do this in middle school and in high school. I used to always look max. I used to love waking up early and look max. And y'all know how you like put your clothes down on the floor and you like line them up and stuff. Y'all know how you like put your clothes down on the bed, you like line them up, and you put the shoes right here, you put the shoes at the bottom, and then like y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. We used to do all that. But yeah, I used to like kind of like do look max at 5 o'clock in the morning because I was obsessed with myself. Fellas, if you want to become more attractive, you must be obsessed with yourself. I feel like this generation, this society, especially TikTok, they demonize people who's obsessed with themselves. It's like, why are you so obsessed with yourself? Because God gave me a face to love. God took his time on me, so why not I do the same? Like, come on, fellas. Like, you have to do a little bit of look maxing. You really do. You probably will, Jayyduty. How do I do look maxing? Hit the fucking gym. That's how you become more confident. Because what's projected on the inside reflects on the outside. So the reason why you're attractive externally is because you are unattractive. Let me say it again. The reason why you're unattractive externally because you're unattractive eternity. You have to fix the eternal world. You have to switch what you affirm to yourself. And I know this sounds cliche, but what you affirm to yourself is what you will become. Like literally, like if you always say you ugly, you're going to feel ugly. And then you're going to manifest yourself as this ugly ass individual. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, that's just true. You are what you affirm to yourself. Like, I know it sounds cliche. I know it sounds like Jayyduty, you over whooping with the message. No, I'm not though. Like, even when I was ugly, when I did feel unattractive, y'all, like, I realized that I switched how I affirmed to myself. I wasn't saying, oh, I'm ugly. No girl wouldn't be with me. I'm skinny. I didn't say those negative things to myself. I simply told myself I am attractive. I am beautiful. I am handsome. I am everything. And I started moving like that. And that's how you build confidence. Because women go based off confidence. Women are spiritual beings. They go based on what they see within you, okay? When you move with certainty, this is where women would pick up on that and they would literally like you more. And matter of fact, you don't even have to walk up to women. Women would literally find a random conversation just to talk to you. They would literally like just talk to you. Like when you practice semen retention, and this is also why you get rejected too, is because you're not in control of your lustful energy. You masturbate 24/7. So this is why you have low confidence and you can never just think positively. You get what I'm saying? Like, even when you walk inside a building or you walk inside work or school, you just always twisting your head. You just don't know what to say. You just like, I don't know. You just feel like you just don't know about yourself. You're just not sure. And women, they pick up on that. So why should women pay attention to you when you don't pay attention to yourself? Think about that. You want to get laid by women. You want women to say yes to you. But would you say yes to yourself? Would you lay with yourself? Would you love yourself? Would you suck yourself up, nigga? Like, no homo. But if you was in her shoes, if you was in women's shoes, would you lay with yourself? Ask yourself that. What do you do on a day-to-day basis that makes you attractive? Let me blur out a couple habits that makes you unattractive. When you watch porn, dude, you wonder why you can't get the acne off your face. It's because, my nigga, you masturbating 24/7. Once you practice semen retention, your face will become more clear. Okay? You don't have to, put products on your face. You don't have to keep scratching off acne on your face. Matter of fact, that's actually making your face more worse. All you got to do is just simply practice semen retention and drink a lot of water and sweat a lot. Okay? Another thing too, you drink a lot of alcohol. Do you know what alcohol is doing to your face, my nigga? That shit makes you look dog. Do you know what it's doing to your teeth? You ever see, bro, let me tell y'all something. You ever see them old heads with missing teeth? Yeah, it came from the alcohol. You ever see them old heads with yellow teeth? Nigga, that came from the alcohol. You don't believe me? You don't think it came from the alcohol? You don't think your unattractive face, like, let's be honest. Like, look yourself in the mirror. You don't think that comes from the alcohol? You don't, oh my God, no way you don't think that comes from the alcohol. Dude, it comes from the, we all know that one old head. All right, man. All right, bro. Look it up. And it causes kidney failure. Nigga, alcohol kills you, nigga. That shit kills you, my nigga. But just because the pleasure of it, it feels good, you would do it. Bro, stop drinking alcohol, my nigga. I don't know about weed. I don't think weed make you look unattractive. It make you feel lazy, but weed is cool. I don't smoke, but you should stop smoking if you want to become more productive, though. I feel like if you're lazy, that's probably another reason why you're unattractive. Because attractive people, what's one thing we got in common? Masculinity. We all about doing. We all about doing more. We love working out. We love talking. We literally talkative beings. I never met an attractive person who wasn't talkative. Like every attractive person I met in my life, they was talkative. They was nice. They was kind. Matter of fact, I think the perception on attractive people is corrupted. I think attractive people are the nicest ones on this earth. I really do. Because we understood, like we understand spirituality. Because in order for you to look good on the outside, you must take care of yourself on the inside. That's why people love bad bitches. Because bad bitches is a vibe. Bad bitches is a vibe. I'm trying to tell you. Y'all be thinking I'm lying. Why you think niggas can't get rid of a bad bitch? Because they are vibes. They are down to earth. They are more talkative. But they not long term though. That's the thing. Bad bitches, they some boppies. Because the reason why bad bitches, they like eternity, they good eternity. They make you feel good. They a vibe. You will have a good time with a bad bitch. But you ain't gonna live a long time with them. Like you ain't gonna have a long experience with them. It's like they come and they go. Attractive people come and go. I don't know why. But it's like, that's because we nice. And you know how, like, no woman wants a nice guy. And no dude wants a nice woman. They want us to be mean as fuck. They want us to mean mug people and gossip about people. But that's not who we are. That's not, we don't come in that type of form. We love greeting people with respect. We love people. Attractive people love people. So this is why attractive people is hard for us to really get in a relationship, because y'all want us to be toxic. Y'all want us to be mean. But it's like, we don't slang that way. We really don't. Like, I had a couple of those, like the last females I've dealt with, they always like, yeah, you nice and shit. I just don't be liking that shit. Like, even when I was in high school, feeling like, Jay, you nice, and I don't like that. Like, you look too good to be nice. I'm like, I want my nigga to be mean to bitches. I'm like, oh, well, got the wrong nigga then, because I love greeting people with respect. I love talking to people. Even if I'm in a relationship, I can't just talk to one girl. I mean, I can fuck with you. I can love you and I can be loyal to you. I ain't gonna sleep with nobody else. But you cannot cut the connection that I have from everybody else. That's impossible. I'm really talkative and I'm down to earth. I love talking to people. Like, I really do. Like when I used to deal with females in my past, they used to always like get mad at me because of that. Like, I don't have no intention of sleeping with these females, but I love talking. I really do. I ain't gonna lie. I love talking to people. Like, I love talking to people. And this is probably why I'm single, is because a woman, they want me to be toxic to other people. They want me to mean mug other people. They want me to hate other people. Like, I swear to God, like, every woman that I get in a relationship with, she want me to hate other people. And I just can't do it. I don't have no hate in my heart. I can't do what you do. I can't just look at people and just think negative. I just can't do it. I love people. I love humans. I love being a great person to people. I don't know why, but it just, I love humans, bro. Like, I'm like really down to earth, and I'm like more in tune with myself, and I can't just look at anybody in a negative way because you don't like it. You get what I'm saying? So that's just what it is, fellas. But yeah, man, I hope y'all really learned from this video. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.